Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Ebony and today we are in Dallas, Georgia. Now we're going to be touring this beautiful new construction model behind me by Century Communities. So this community sits about 45 minutes to an hour northwest of Atlanta. We're sandwiched in between Hiram and Ackworth, Georgia, and a few minutes drive from Marietta, Georgia. And one thing that I noticed when driving here is there's a Costco's down the street. So you are minutes from your local Costco's and other shopping and dining options. Now we are going to be touring the Harding plan right here behind me. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bath plan, and I can't wait to show you inside. All right, so we are in the front entrance. This particular floor plan does have 9-foot ceilings on the main floor, and then there's 8 feet upstairs. So we're gonna take a look at this first bedroom. This is nice. Now they have staged it as an office. Most model homes will have an office because nowadays everybody's working from home, right? Even I work from home sometimes. So I love how they have this credenza here with this art and some secondary lighting. The best way to just make a space feel nice and homey and comfortable is add lamps, add secondary lighting to a space. Will definitely add that special touch. They have a nice sitting chair here, which is lovely and functional with a little drink station in case, you need to talk to someone. You got your closet here. So this makes it a legal bedroom because it has a closet and a window. Love the color on the wall. They are doing color blocking. They have the blue tone on the bottom level and then the white, which may be like a pure white or a Greek villa on the top. So that's beautiful. And then we have a full-size bathroom here. So you have a 3-piece bath with your vanity, toilet, and a shower. This is a tub shower combination. So for those who have family that stay over, or it's multi-generational, you have multiple people living, you can have someone sleeping in this bedroom, someone in that bedroom, and still have access to a full bathroom downstairs. And then you have a linen closet here. The thing about some floor plans is that there's never enough linen closets. So I like this. This is the linen closet, and right off over here across the way is this is nice. This is a coat closet. So you have room to put shoes and hang jackets there. So this is a beautiful neutral space. I love the colors that they've chose to use in this particular model. It's matching my dress today. So I like the blue and the soft beiges, warm tones, natural finishes makes this feel so warm and cozy. You have your closet here, nice natural lighting coming in. And then this looks like a full-size bed with still room to add nightstands on both sides. Love that. We're gonna make our way down the catwalk. This is a nice hallway. Now you have more storage here. This is a very deep closet underneath the stairwell. Plenty of storage solutions that you can add in there. Then you are greeted by the family room, eating kitchen, in the kitchen. So over in the family room, there is a beautiful electric firebox. They give off a little heat. They're not gonna cost you as much as a gas fireplace. They are beautiful. So this is more of a decorative feature that a lot of buyers appreciate. So you have room on both sides of the fireplace if you like to add extra storage, some shelves to hang your beautiful artwork or your whatnots. Well, I love the coastal vibe thing that they're giving in this particular model. The light blues and beiges are beautiful. Here you have probably an 84-inch to 92-inch dining table. They have a 6-seater here with additional seating over here in the island. And in your island, you got a nice deep sink here. Beautiful, along with your dishwasher. So that is lovely. Extra counter space across the way with your cabinets. These units, all of the floor plans will have the microwave unit installed over the range. You have a gas range here, which in the South, we like gas. If the lights go out, you still can cook and eat just fine. So this is lovely. And over here across the way, it's a pantry. And there's plenty of space in here to optimize this with, there's tons of California closets, artisan closets. We use them here in Atlanta. They'll come in, they'll do your design for free, and they will install beautiful shelving units in your pantry, in your closets. I have a really great vendor. If you guys relocate down, purchase, I have someone I can refer for your closets and all of your storage solutions needs, okay? Now over here is an exterior patio. So you have sliding doors. We'll step out. Oh, this is nice. So what they've done is they've made a really great seating area with a fire pit, and it has a little fence that fences in the home. Now I'm pretty sure this is the model unit. I'm pretty sure next to it, to the right of us over here, this is where the parking lot is. More than likely this will end up being a home. Now you can see they have plenty of lots left, plenty of opportunities in this community, so please feel free to drop me a comment if you want more information about this community. Okay, beautiful. And before we go upstairs, here is the drop zone, the little mud room. Of course, it's a beautiful place for you to hang your bags, put your shoes, you know, drop all your things when you come in through the garage. So the garage is here, but this is where the model home's offices are, so we won't go in there. And then you have a nice storage closet right here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead upstairs. So the one thing that I really love in this model is that there are no carpets on the stairs. They carry up the wood treads into the LVP onto the second level, which is nice. And they have a nice loft in this particular floor plan. How beautiful is this? Also room over here, they're utilizing it as an office space or workspace, but it's a nice sitting room. Could also be a media space, you can hang a TV. And then you have your owner suite here. We're gonna come there last. A nice closet and your laundry room. All right, so we're gonna step into the owner's suite, and right off the bat, I noticed that they have a king size bed, which is nice. So definitely room for your king. Beautiful nightstands to the left and right of the bed, and these look like they're probably about 32 inches high. So it doesn't feel cramped in here at all. You have all your necessary furniture, your bed, your nightstands, a bench if you like at the head of the bed, a side chair. I always like to put a side chair in bedrooms because you may want to put your shoes on or your socks on, or put your pants on. You just want a nice place to sit. It also makes for a nice place to throw your clothes at the end of the day, toss your clothes, right? And then there's room for a nice size dresser if you utilize big dressers for your clothing and not put them in your closet. All right, now for some, this is a nice size closet. For others, maybe not so. But hey, you can always add plenty of storage solutions in a closet like this to maximize all of the space. And over here is a door. It leads to nowhere. It's right into the attic, so you can always check to see your levels of your installation in the attic, but you can't really store anything in here. So I probably would lock this door and just leave it alone. Let's go check out the rest of the house. All right, so we're gonna come out of here and we're gonna head down the hallway to the additional bedrooms. We'll stop right at the bathroom. Now this is the secondary hall bathroom. It has very nice high counter height, which I can always appreciate. Some older homes have very low counter heights, and I'm tall, I'm like 5'9", so I love that this is nice and high. It will transition well for little ones until they become older children. And then you have the toilet area that opens to the tub and shower combo. So this tub has black fixtures. There's black fixtures in this bathroom and in the owner suite, which is nice and modern. They're keeping it nice and clean for you new buyers. And then over here you have additional secondary bedrooms, which gives you a nice amount of space. This is a full-size bed with your nice reach-in closet. And then across the way, we also have another secondary bedroom. Nice theme. So what did you guys think? Look, if you didn't like this floor plan, there are 4 additional floor plans available for this community, starting at 3 bedrooms all the way up to 5. And there's over 100 options available for you buyers out there. Yes, this community just started. There's only 3 homes in the community right now, and they're going to have over 120 sites here. Before we wrap up today's video, I want to give you a quick look at the amenities homeowners will get to enjoy once everything is complete. Residents will have access to a playground, grill and pavilion, fire pit, restrooms, a central mail kiosk, and even a private lake that's perfect for enjoying the outdoors and taking in the scenery. If you'd like more information, have questions about pricing, or want to schedule a private tour, please reach out to me and my team. You'll find our contact information in the description box below. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me today. If you enjoyed this tour, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our weekly tours of new construction homes and neighborhoods across Metro Atlanta. Thanks again for watching. watching, and I'll see you in the next one.